Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable DAC for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. And before I will show it for you, I have important information. First one, if you have iPhone, you cannot enable DAC because Apple devices doesn't support DAC. AC is your maximum. Second one, if you have Android phone and you can enable DAC, but not Android phone support it. So if it makes no sense to use still DAC if your phone didn't support this codec. Now, how to enable it? We need to enter developer option. Because we cannot enable it or disable it in the application, we have no options there. And if you don't know how to enter developer option, at this channel we have a video for your phone, so you can check it. Now let's move to the settings, and if you enable developer option, just at the search write codec. And we have Bluetooth audio codec, that's actually what we need. So you need to tap on it, and right here click on it. And here it is still DAC, so to enable it just tap on it. We just enable, and to disable this codec you need to also click at the Bluetooth audio codec and swap to another codec, let's say on AC. And we just disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.